Hi everybody. I've come on again for a few more minutes just to explain before I go to bed that I deleted. Don't know why I'm doing this. I deleted um the video that I did of this makeup look this afternoon, and I got a comment to say that it was a hot mess. So I am glad that people might notice that my makeup needs a bit more practice with my blending and whatever else. And I think, to be honest with you, I am glad that that person noticed that. I mean, I just put any makeup on my eyes and just hope for the best. And obviously, I'm not new to makeup. I have been doing makeup for years now. Um, I just put, as I say, anything on my face. Whether it suits me, I don't know. Just put anything on my face and just hope for the best. But I'm glad that it got mentioned that it was a hot mess. So to that viewer, thank you for that, and don't worry, I'm not taking it personally, in a bad way at all. I am pleased that you, saw that, and I will now, if a video of this eye look comes onto my channel again at some point, I will make sure that I do the blending properly and place my colours maybe a little bit more. Yeah. I just wanted to come on and explain that. Just having a cup of tea, by the way. My friend gave me this mug, so just having a nice hot cup of tea while I talk to you all. Yeah. So yeah. Yeah. So I'm sorry if people liked that video. If you did, thank you. Um, yeah. So yeah, what I've done. I've taken that eye look off my channel, my makeup tutorial for this eye look, that I'm wearing right now. And as I say, I will, come on again at some point and do the same eye look, maybe, and try and do it a little bit better. So there may be a little bit of a disappointment to some people that I have taken that video down. But as you can see, I have still got it to show you on this video. But I can maybe understand it's not great and it is a hot mess. So I will practice on my blending with eye looks, but for now, until I learn how to get better, I'll just continue doing my makeup. I am hoping I'm going to be safe to say this on my channel, but also, and I don't think I mentioned it on the tutorial that I did on the site that I've just deleted. I don't think I mentioned it, but I'll just explain again that I think it was either yesterday or the day before, I can't remember, when I put up I was trying to do another outfit of the day with this top that I'm wearing. of JLS. And I explained a little bit of when I went to see them in Sheffield and my experience that night. I was gonna go through that with you, little bits of that night. But then when I did the outfit of the day for this top, YouTube, I got a message at least anyway from YouTube saying, before it got uploaded and before I lost, before I got a strike on my YouTube channel, I could put it as private. So I did do an outfit of the day on my channel of that video, but unfortunately I've had to put that private. Maybe in the future I will try again. My friend also has given me an idea that maybe just so that I'm safe on my YouTube channel without any strikes or anything happen to me, I might change doing my videos a little bit, change it around a little bit. So I might just do like an outfit of the day once a week. Uh, uh, do makeup tutorials. I'm gonna be doing, I've got a video to do of going through all my other makeup, that you haven't seen in my videos yet, and I'll use them for makeup tutorials soon. Maybe I can try and do one tomorrow. We'll see. But yeah, I'll show you on a video of how much makeup I've got. I've got loads. And then I've got loads of nail varnishes, but because I don't grow my nails, I'm very naughty and I bite them. So there's no point in really having nail varnish, but I've got absolutely loads of them. I can show that in a video. Just give me some ideas if you can, if you'd like to. Gives me an idea on what videos you'd like to see. I know that I've got a few videos that I know that I need to do. So like that video that I've just explained that I need to do on my my makeup. I'll do some other makeup videos. Continue with them, and then obviously do once a week with outfit of the day. What else is there? I think still need to have questions for doing a Q&A. So if you can still give me some questions to answer to on a Q&A, I can do that. Yeah. And then I might also do some more videos on cat eyes because it was requested to me quite a bit now ago to do a cat eye, which I did do. The best way that I could do it. So I did that, and then I'm thinking of maybe doing some more of them. That was just like a cheetah print eye that I did. That was gonna be as close as I'm gonna get with a cat eye at the moment. And it might not suit me, but I did it anyway. Yeah. So, and I'm just so grateful to be coming on and doing YouTube videos. just as a hobby, nothing else. And for the amount of subscribers also that I've got so far, that's to me just incredible. So seriously, thank you very much for that, because um, it's I am just very very new to YouTube, but I mean I guess you could still say that I am. I think this month will be my second month doing my YouTube channel, and I'm just grateful that I'm getting kindness. Uh, People are not, being nasty or anything. Just lovely people coming on, commenting, and I'm happy to comment back. Sorry also if I've also noticed some comments being like someone's commented on something, and I only noticed a few of them yesterday morning to reply back to, that had been there for like a month or so, and I've not noticed, so I'm sorry about that, but I did reply. And if there is any more that I need to reply to, I will do. I'll check in a bit, possibly, or tomorrow. Uh, so, yeah. Right, I'm gonna go now. Say good night to people that are living in the UK. Good night. Yeah, I'm gonna go. Alright, we'll hopefully see you tomorrow for another video. Hopefully nothing comes up tomorrow that, it doesn't distract me stop me from doing a video, for any reason. But hopefully not, and we're all good. Yeah. Alright, bye everybody.